Hey guys, it's your guy LeBexit here. Today I'll be showing you guys how to actually get the free segments right here you may see. But hey, before I begin, please subscribe. We come out videos randomly, and I don't like you to miss it. For now, let's go show you how to get a desktop like this. Okay, one second, just open this. So the first thing you're gonna need is your Windows 11 computer. For me, I currently have a Windows 11 computer running off 60 gigabytes or so, which is really trash. So, yeah. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna go on settings. I'm very afraid. I'll be right back because I'm afraid I might reveal my personal data. Okay, I'm just gonna tell you what happened here. Is it recording? Yeah, it is. See here, it revealed my email on settings for some reason. I don't know why, but it just did. So, what you're just going to be doing is going to click on personalization on settings, and it'll pop up called themes. The first two things are going to be Windows Light and Windows Dark. I'm going to click on Windows Dark. In case you haven't, do that. And yeah, if you have Windows Dark already on, put that on. So now what we're going to be doing is going to go on Google. Right here, you see this thing? Yeah. And we will be going on Start All Back. Okay, Start All Back. You hear me? Sorry for being loud here. I'm just trying to make sure you guys hear me. Because for me, I currently have a toner mic. So, yeah. So, when I click on the first link that's pop up here, I'm going to click on download. That's all. And for me, I already have it, so I do not need it. So, yeah, you saw that. That's a setup. I'm going to go on that setup, and we're going to go set it up. And now it's out, guys. We're going to be going to install like some kind of like macOS cursors, as in not just any like macOS cursor, just a black cursor. I'll show you what I mean. Okay, I'm about to show you what I mean. Okay, I'm about to show you what I mean, guys. I'm going to go on pointers. I'm going to see here we got ourselves a ton of stuff. Oh. Oops. Yeah, I don't know what happened there. Oops. Captain Cursors? Aha, there we go. So they're called Captain Cursors. Actually, that's not the one. What happened to them? Aha, there we go. They're just called macOS, okay? If you haven't installed this already, you should probably go on like some like website. I forgot the website. In case you want, just enable the shadow or whatever. I don't know really a fan of it, so I'm just gonna click on OK. I'll cause effect to your mouse. And now it's guys, we're gonna go on our web. I'm gonna go on the web. And we'll be typing in iMac 2021 blue dark mode wallpaper. Okay? That's what you need to type in. And as soon as that, guys, I'll show you like images a bit. For me, I just like to click on the first thing that pops up. Check the gigabyte and bytes you got here. It's 3.84 by 2.1006 whatever. Sorry. I'm gonna click on the save image as, and for us, we're just gonna save it. Yet again, I already have it. We're gonna go on. Once that, for me, I saved it in stuff. Yep, this is their very basic where I keep all my stuff. Please do not call me a messy guy, okay? I am not a messy guy. Trust me. I'm gonna right click, or just click on this. Just click on set as background. Okay, but now what about the desktop? The icons are really being annoying. So we're gonna right click on the desktop. View, uncheck short icons. If you haven't done that already, you should probably do that. If you've done, great job. So anyways, about that Start Us Back, all back. If you haven't installed it, go on the setup file that you installed, and we're gonna be going onto like something kind of like just follow the setup, okay? I'll show you how. Once I'll restart Explorer exe, I'll up here, right here. And it'll pop up a little welcome thing saying that where you want to go today. You could either do proper 11, which is just Windows 11 with just this very weird thing. Cat 10. On Remaster 7, which is just Microsoft Windows 7 and Windows 11. But we're not going to be going that route today. We're going to make sure our center taskbar items are on. Our segments, I'm going to click on segments. It'll disappear the extra gaps that you don't need. And we're going to up to free, never mind. To get rid of the start button separately from the start button. And there you kind of have it. You actually currently have the, oh yeah, and make sure this is S for small. And there you have it. You have yourself my custom, very cool setup. For now, if you really like this video, please subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the flip side.